You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19.8k level and I've been talking about markets coming down, and on the 4-hour chart, we've seen this very little move to the downside after this major move on a breakout of this level we are looking at. And on the 4-hour chart, it is the same thing. What are we expecting now in the market? Are we expecting a retracement to the upside or a breakout right here? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC, if you look at this very level, I've been talking about this very level of 19k, okay, because we have a very strong support here. We have a support at this level, we have support here, we have support here. So this will not be an exception. Market coming back down into this level to find support is what I am paying attention to, and once that happens, I am expecting the market to move to the upside, okay, because if you look at the way market is moving right here, we have a very strong move to the end of this very impulsive move, then market retracement, then move again to the downside. We'll see that from these two candles, this bearish candle, the reduction in momentum, and right now what you should be paying attention to is a little bit of retracement to the upside before we can then define where the market is going to go next. And pay attention to this 19k level, because if we see a breakout of this 19k level at this very area, then we're going to see the market come back down below this level up to 15k level. If a breakout happens, if there is no breakout, then market is going to move to the upside. But what I am paying attention to is market obeying this level of support so that we can have a little move to the upside in form of a retracement of this entire impulsive move. Okay, so this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 1-day chart, on BTC USDT, on the 4-hour chart, on the mid short term. If you look at this very area, after this little consolidation of this area, you see the move to the downside, the market is at this very point. What I am paying attention to is a little bit of move to the downside, then we see a major retracement to the upside. Because if you look at the MACD right now, if you put on the MACD, we discover that we are about seeing a potential divergence coming to the market at this very point. If you plot this from this very area to this level, and if you look at this very well, you discover this market is already diverging, although it's a potential divergence, and this is a bullish divergence, guys. So if you look at this area, it's not well defined yet, but that is what you should be paying attention to at this very area. So once this happens, that is market come back down a little bit, expect a nice move to the upside. I'm going to give this trade in the Telegram group. Link to the Telegram group is in the description of this video. It is a free group. Join right now, and this will be a nice trade from this very area of support. And if we see a breakout of this level of support from this level of 19k, then that means market is going to move down to 15k level. See, this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT, and you should also look at this and use it to compare with your own analysis. On the 4-hour chart ETH, the same thing. I am expecting the market to come down a little bit before we see a retracement to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to move into this level a little bit on the immediate short term. Then from here, I am paying attention to markets moving to the upside. Remember, a breakout of this very level of support will make the market to move to the downside. That means if we see a breakout on this level of support with a significant bearish candle to the downside, then that means market is going to go down, and this will be very bad for ETH. So that is what I am paying attention to right now, guys. A little move down before retracement to the upside for a nice retracement of this long impulse. This is what I am paying attention to on ETH and BTC on the immediate short term, and also on the long term on the 1-day chart on Bitcoin. What do you think about the market, especially at this very level of support on the BTC USDT 1-day chart? Do you think we are going to break this level of support, the market is going to come back down, or we're going to find support here for market to move to the upside. Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe right now, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this one every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you have not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and their registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.